Hi, this is Marty Fay at Motorworks. I'd like to introduce you to our new digital vehicle inspection. Motorworks has always inspected its customer vehicles whenever they come in for service or repair. We think that's critical to a customer's safety, and also it prevents little niggly problems from growing into mondo expensive problems. Traditionally, the inspections have been on paper, but now all the Motorworks technicians have laptops and tablets at their workstations. When they're going to do a walk around for their inspection, they grab the tablet, make notes on it, any areas of concern, they photograph it, they can even take videos. And then with a punch of the button, it goes wirelessly up to the service staff up front who finish the estimates, and with another punch of the button, it's texted or emailed to the customer's phone. We think this is huge. The customer has never had this kind of convenience to make comfortable automotive choices. Our customers are loving it, we're loving it. Let me take you on a quick tour. Our inspection begins with a road test. Modest acceleration tells us about the engine and transmission condition. Swerving shows up bad wheel bearings, steering, and suspension parts. If a car pulls with the technician's hands off the steering wheel, we suspect alignment problems. Braking is checked. All this plus dozens of more checks completes the road test. Next, the technician performs a detailed visual inspection. With tablet in hand, he records the condition of steering, suspension, driveline, exhaust, tires, belts, hoses, over 50 individual items in all. This car has a loose suspension part called a sway bar link. That's a real concern as it can affect the car's handling, especially in an emergency. The tech takes a photo, and with the punch of a button, all the information is sent to the service writers up front. They finish the estimate and text or email the customer's phone. That looks like this. The customer pulls up text, clicks the link, and there's a greeting mentioning the car is done and we have a concern over a loose sway bar link. And please feel free to pause this video to read any details. Here's our invoice, and here we see a conventional engine oil change with a thorough discussion. Next is the digital vehicle inspection. Items in red are safety related. They need attention now. Green means good to go, no repairs needed. Yellow indicates important to the proper functioning of the vehicle, but not critical to the owner's safety. Under suspension, we see more detail on the loose sway bar link. When we view notes, we've got an estimate on the sway bar link and an approval box, and at the top is a photo of the loose link. It bears repeating, never has a customer had more information with which to make a convenient, comfortable, informed choice about auto repair. That completes our tour of the digital vehicle inspection. Thank you so much for watching. Motorworks will be here for any automotive need you may have, and if you can find a spare minute, check out our award-winning website at www.motorw.com. Thanks again. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.